Hello, good morning to class 6. I hope all of you are being safe and stay in your home. Today I'd like to share the video related to the OpenOffice Impress software. That how can you apply the slide design in your presentation after creating the presentation. So let us do that. Let us do that practical. So first of all, I have to open this OpenOffice Impress software. So how can you open it? You have to double click on that software. After double click on that software, you will get that Apache OpenOffice 4 package. In that Apache OpenOffice 4 package contains a list of the software, but I have to work in this presentation software, so I have to click on this presentation tab. After click on that presentation tab, a window will appear, which I have already discussed in that second number video, that is presentation wizard window. The presentation wizard window will ask you a question that would you like to create a empty presentation? Yes, but suppose that if any one of your student, any one of your classmates, or any one of you by mistake click on that create button, not into the next button. In previous video I taught you that steps to apply the slide design before creating the presentation, but today I'd like to share you that steps for to apply the slide design after creating the presentation. Means that if any one of you have by mistake click on this create button, then no problem. Why it's no problem? Because this is your presentation, this is your empty presentation. Means that this is your presentation slide. Now I have a question that how can I apply the slide design by after creating the presentation? Yes, it is very easy. You can do it. So how can you do it? First of all, it is already present in your book also, and it's option number 2, that is after creating presentation. So now I want to show you that practical, that how can you apply the slide design after creating the presentation. So what we have to do, we have to click on to that format menu. In that format menu there is an option that is slide design. Whenever you click on that format menu, you will get the list of the sub menus. Okay, so out of the list of the sub menu, you have to select this your slide design option. Select this slide design option. After selecting the slide design option, you will get a window. This window, whatever I am moving with the cursor, see that this is your slide design window. Click on that slide design window, and then after click on the slide design window, you will get a window. This is your slide design window. Now I have to click onto the load button. Now you see that whenever you click onto the load button, you will get the another window, that is your load slide design window. Okay, now in load slide design window, what is my task? My task is to apply the presentation background after creating the presentation. What is my task? I have to apply the slide design background in my presentation slide. So now you see that there are in the 3 categories: my template, presentation, background, and presentation. So what I have to select? I have to select this presentation background. Whenever you will select this presentation background, you will get the list of the templates. See, there are list of the templates. So how out of the list of the templates, you can select any one of the templates. Suppose that I am selecting the any one of the template, that is your blue and red gradient. Okay, and now click on to that OK button. You see, it will take some time. Then I will see that there is another presentation template will appear in this slide design window. This is your another presentation template, which is whatever you have selected. Okay, now select that presentation template window, whatever you have selected, and then click on that OK button. Wait for some time, then your presentation background will apply to your presentation slide. Okay, now suppose that if anyone wants to apply the another presentation background in different slide, so that whenever I am going to create new slide, you will get the same layout. You will get the same layout of your presentation background. what is my task? My task is that I want to apply the different slide design in my slide number 2 only, not in the slide number 1. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to select this slide, and now in that layout, not in the layout, now in that master page, yes, now you will go to that master page. This is the options. Okay, you see that where have to go to this master page. Whenever you click on this master page, you will get that list of the presentation templates. Okay, out of the list of the templates you can select any one. Suppose that now I'm going to select this presentations template. Now you see it will be automatically, now it will wait for 2 minutes. Now you see that this is applied to that second number slide or first number slide, but this is not my task. What's my task? My task is to change the only first number slide. Okay, so now what I have to do, again you go to that format option, and now slide design, and then select this one, and then click on OK. Now you see that this is another slide layout and this is another slide layout. Both have the different presentation background. Okay, so how can you do it? Simply click, first of all I have to create a new slide. The new slide, whenever you will create a new slide, you will get the previous slide background. Okay, but what's my task? Now again my task is that it load slide number 3. I want to apply the another slide layout, another slide background. So what I have to do, click onto that format menu, and then again click onto that slide design, and then you want to apply the another presentation background. So click onto that load button. After click on that load button, then again select that presentation background. In presentation background, there are list of the templates. Suppose that I want to select that is your rounded rectangles template. Okay, and then click on OK. Now you see this is your rounded neck template, and then click on OK. You will see that the slide number 3 will get the effect of rounded neck presentation background. Understood, students? I hope all of you have understood that. So you see that the first slide has different presentation background, second slide has different presentation background, and third slide has different presentation background. So whatever you want to do, you can do it, or whatever you want to create any slide design or slide presentation background after getting the slide, you can do it. Okay, so students, I hope all of you understood that this video. If anyone have a doubt regarding in this video, you can consult me or you can ask me in the next class. Okay, goodbye to all of you. Thank you and have a nice day.